Welcome to this crucial chapter on data-based decision-making and building your dream team. Up until now, we focused heavily on content, branding, and platform strategies. But today we shift gears to explore the backbone of any successful social media strategy: data. Whether you're operating in hospitality, retail, tech, or any other industry, data should drive every decision you make. Without data, your strategy is based on guesswork. But with data, you get a clear picture of your audience's behaviors, preferences, and the effectiveness of your campaigns. Let's explore why data is the foundation for any strong social media marketing strategy. Let's get into the core question: why data is so essential? It's simple. Data tells you exactly what's working and what isn't. It gives you insights that help you steer your strategy, adjust your content, and ensure you're targeting the right audience at the right time. For example, think about a restaurant launching a new menu. Without data, how do you know which dishes are most appealing to your audience? How do you know which promotions are driving bookings or foot traffic? Data takes the guesswork out of your decision-making process. Instead of hoping your efforts will pay off, data shows you which actions lead to results. Next is audience demographics. Who is your content reaching? This includes data such as age, location, gender, and interests. For a business like a restaurant or a cafe, this information is crucial. Are you attracting the right kind of customers? Are you reaching locals? Or are your posts bringing in tourists or visitors from outside the area? Next, we have content performance. This is all about determining which types of content work best. Do videos outperform photos? Are Instagram stories driving more traffic than feed posts? Understanding which content resonates most with your audience helps you double down on what works. Now let's look at an example. At Social Awaken, we've seen the power of data-driven decision-making firsthand. Take one of our clients, a dessert brand, for example. They wanted to promote their newest store location, but they weren't sure which content was driving the most foot traffic. By diving into their engagement metrics and audience data, we noticed that posts featuring their signature desserts with high-quality close-up visuals performed best. We also discovered that their audience was most engaged around 7 p.m, right before dessert time. Armed with this data, we adjusted their posting schedule and refined their content strategy to focus on their best performing dishes during peak engagement hours. The result? A 35% increase in engagement and a noticeable uptick in in-store visits. Now let's talk about the key takeaways. Number one is data is essential for making informed decisions and avoiding guesswork in your marketing strategy. Number two, focus on collecting key metrics like engagement, audience demographics, and content performance to continuously improve your approach. Now let's take a moment to reflect. Take a few moments to reflect on your current social media strategy. Are you collecting the right data? Do you understand what your audience engages with the most? Write down 3 areas where you could improve your data tracking and think about how you can adjust your strategy based on these insights.